What's up, my honey bunnies, and welcome back to a new video. Hope you guys are having an incredible day today. I'm back with a new video and it's gonna be an unboxing. I came back from vacation a couple days ago and I have a lot of boxes to unbox, and I thought, why not just do a video? This one comes from Eco and Earth. This is a retail store that sells a lot of eco-friendly products, which is really cool. I've been wanting to get into more eco-friendly clothing and stuff like that. These are a pair of leggings that I picked out, and I don't know if these are gonna fit me. I did get a size medium, and now that I think about it, I should have went for a size large. I don't know if this is gonna fit. I'm gonna try it out. Hopefully it does. But this is a company who does organic cotton products. If you guys are looking for an eco-friendly store online, definitely check them out. I'll leave their Instagram down below so you guys can check them out, or just their website. But I think they have really cool products over there if you guys want to take a peek. They do only have two different colors. They have a lighter gray and then this kind of like charcoal gray. So I picked up the darker ones because that's just what I like. I like darker leggings. So if they fit, I'm just gonna wear them to lounge around, to work out, just to be around the house, or just to run some errands. Next I have my PetiVour for the month of April. I was like, what month are we in? So I received this a day after I came back. So this is the card. Inside you'll find more information about the products that come in the box. I do have a code to get 25% off, I think, your first subscription box. I think it's LE25, but I can be wrong. If I'm wrong, I'll leave it on the screen. But I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Again, you get 25% off your first box. So I love this box. It's one of my favorite subscription boxes because it's very affordable, and I get deluxe size or full size products, which is really cool. This month's box looks like this. The Blasoma, this is the Refine Rescue Clay Renewal Treatment, and I think this is a mask. Yeah, it's a mask. It's a rescue mask, and I have not tried it obviously, but it smells really good, and this is what it looks like. On the card it says to apply once a week for 15 minutes to draw out impurities, refine skin texture, improve hydration, and prevent and treat breakouts. You can also use it as an overnight spot treatment for blemishes. So I will be using this for sure, maybe tonight. Well, actually I don't have that many breakouts right now, so I might just save this for when I do have a lot of breakouts. I see something from Juice Beauty, one of my favorite, all-time favorite brands for makeup and skincare. So we got the antioxidant serum, and I think I have tried this in a full size, and I did really enjoy it. But I can be wrong. I think they do have two serums, I think. A product from this brand that I have seen in a PetiVour box before. I just haven't tried it yet, but this is the Active Face Wash, and this one has African black soap, which I have tried in the past, but I feel like my skin doesn't really like it. So I don't know if I'm gonna try this. This is an epidermal skin revival system that exfoliates, minimizes scars, and brings breakouts to a screeching halt. Play an active part in bringing your best facial features to the surface. Ingredients, and the ingredients look very, very good. Like I said, it has very minimal ingredients, so I'm gonna have to think about this to see if I want to try it, because like I said, I have tried black African soap on my skin, on my face skin, and it just felt like it was just too harsh. But then we have a makeup product. So this is a product from Kaylee. This is the Beach Babe Natural Brows, and I knew we were gonna get this because I did see Andy, the Green Queen, video unboxing her PetiVour. This is the color brunette, and it looks like a pretty good color for my hair. So let's try this out. Okay, so I don't think this color is working for me. It looks a tad bit too red. I don't know if you guys can see it. But this is not something that I would use, to be honest, especially the color. It's also very creamy, so when I blend it out, it like kind of blends out into the outer part of my brow, so I have to clean it up. So far, I'm just not enjoying this. This is an order I placed before I left on my vacation, and I did pick up a few eyeshadows from Prisma Palette, which was formerly Mother Bear's Handmade. I do have a swatch video if you guys want to check them out, and I also have lots of swatches on my Instagram. I picked up these three, which are matte, and these are pretty much very neutral colors. I picked up tan, and this one I got a sample, and I really liked it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's pretty much something that I can use all over the lid or as a transition color. And then I also picked up vanilla, French vanilla, because the other one I have is almost out. So this is what it looks like. I just wanted a restock and just have it in my collection, so when the other one is done, I can just replace it. French vanilla, I'm sure you guys have seen me use this a lot of times. It's pretty much something I use as a base to set my eye primer or just to cover any redness. It's a very neutral color, very light. It's kind of like a bone color. This one right here is terracotta, and I also received a sample of this and I fell in love with it. And that is what that looks like. I use this on the crease. Whew, that is a blue. Now that is gorgeous. This one is called Rainbow Fish, and it's a blue, and it does have kind of like a violet shift. Very gorgeous. I can't wait to use this. Oh my God, that's so beautiful. And then, like I said, she did send over some extra samples, and I got the color Starry Night. When I was looking for a blue, I was in between these two colors, and I went with this one because this one has more of a violet, and I feel like purples or blues with purple or violet in it look way better on my skin tone, so that's why I went ahead and got Rainbow Fish. But I also wanted to get Starry Night, and I'm glad that she sent me a little bit of a sample so that I can try it out. I don't know if you guys can see the difference. From far away, it probably looks the same, but trust me, in person, this one looks more purple and more violet. I went ahead and swatched the other samples, and over here we have Graphite. This one is Peridot, which is a beautiful kind of like antique gold. This one is Sparkler, which is a metallic silver. And this one over here is called Raspberry Swirl, which I am loving so much. It's a matte. But yeah, those are the swatches, and as you can see, they're all very pigmented. But yeah, so that was from Prisma Palette. Moving on to a package from Bite Beauty. So they're all squished, but it looks like there's some type of lipstick. Yeah, they're lipsticks. Okay, so there's an information card right here. Okay, so these are the new Outburst Long Wear Lip Stains. It's high impact, low maintenance, instant bold color, clean, vegan, cruelty free, and gluten free. This is what they look like. So there's 3 different shades. They retail for $24 US and 28 Canadian. So I recently got on the Bite Beauty PR list, and they reached out to me because they're gonna be coming out with a lot of vegan products, and that made me so happy because Bite Beauty used to be one of my favorite lipstick brands before going vegan, and I used to love their formula. It was amazing. They were clean, and I was in love with their lipsticks. Okay, so this orange one is called Orange Fizz. This one is Sangria Slush, and this one is Strawberry Froze. All of the colors look so beautiful, but I think I'm gonna apply the orangey one, which is Orange Fizz. I'm just gonna apply a little bit because these are very pigmented. Oh, this one is so pretty. On the bottom, it looks like I was eating a popsicle. On the card, it says these are lusciously lightweight and long wearing with coconut emollients, passion flower, and sunflower seed oils. The other package from Bite Beauty came before I left, and I was able to take one of the products with me on my trip, and I think I have it somewhere in my luggage, so I don't have it to show you, but it is a lip balm. I don't know where I left the information card for these products, but they did come out with the lip balm. They also came out with a nighttime lip therapy and a lip scrub. I can give you a little mini review on the lip balm because that's the one I have tried. I did take it with me on my trip, and let me tell you, it did save my lips from being super dry, especially in the long plane ride. It really kept my lips moisturized and hydrated, so I highly recommend the daytime lip balm. I will have to try out the other two and give you guys a little mini review later on, but that was from Bite Beauty. Let's move on to Thrive Cosmetics. They did send a little bag, and it's full of lip products. So it came with 2 lip liners, and I have been wanting to try their lip liners for so long, and I finally get the chance to do it. But they did send 2 like nudie type of colors, very natural looking. So this one over here is called Jessie, and I did take this one with me on my trip. This is a nude, and it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous color. Let me swatch it right here. So that again is Jessie. Hopefully you guys can see it a little, but it's a really good nude. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce this one, so I'll leave it on the screen. I think it's Gizian. I don't know. But that was the lip liners. Those are not new, but I think they sent the lip liners for their new release. Okay, so I can only show you one of the colors, but they came out with lip matte shades. That's what it's called. And these are, it's called, okay, it says is lip matte high shine reviving topper. Okay, that's a little confusing because it says shine and matte. I'm confused. But it looks like a lip topper, like a glittery, shiny lip topper, like glossy. I'm gonna show you guys the one that's already out, which is Charlotte. And let me look for that. Oh, this one right here. Okay, so this is Charlotte, and I'm gonna give you guys a swatch of this. This is a very, very sparkly. This is supposed to be a, okay, so Charlotte is a silver shimmer, and it's a very pretty color. But let me swatch it over here. So that is what it looks like. It's very sheer, but you can definitely see these sparkles. This one is from Pure Quosa, I think that's how you pronounce it, and they make some deodorant sprays. They're body and deodorant sprays, and I was really excited to try them out. So they reached out and asked if I wanted to try them, and I'm like, yes, if it's vegan, cruelty-free, and natural, of course, I'm down to try it. Okay, so these are called Pits and Privates Natural Deodorizing Body Spray, so you can use them on your pits, your privates, on your body. This one is the lemon, tea tree, and sage. And this one is the grapefruit orange, which I'm more excited about this one because I'm not really fond of sage. So let's open this up and see if I like the scent. Okay, so yeah, this one smells very good. This one has colloidal silver, which I am in love. It's a great ingredient. It's actually what I'm drinking for my throat, and it's making it much better. It also has witch hazel, aloe plant hydrosol, essential oils of grapefruit, sweet orange, peppermint, and lavender. It also has vegetable glycerin, and that's pretty much it. That's all the ingredients. And it's gluten-free, cruelty-free, chemical-free, non-GMO, vegan, and safe. So that is freaking awesome. I am going to be trying these out. Next, I have two packages from Juice Beauty. One that I received a day before I left on my trip, which is their organic treatment oil. And I really wanted to take this with me, but I was already like overpacked with clothes, and I really wanted to take very minimal skincare and makeup, so I didn't want to add this to my luggage. To celebrate Earth Month, Juice Beauty is donating $1 of every sale of their organic treatment oil to the EWG, which is a really helpful website if you're trying to go natural and non-toxic with your products. It tells you a rating for all of the products that you may have. The other box from Juice Beauty is this really big one, and I did already peek at this because I was so curious to see what was in here. But they're coming out with new eyeshadows, and these are the new phytopigment jelly eyeshadows. It comes with 3 shimmery shades. It comes with Mimosa, Sangria, and Prosecco. And to celebrate the release, they sent a bottle of rosé, which is very pretty. These are the jelly eyeshadows. I think it's gonna come out next month. Let me show you guys what they look like. On the card, it says Pop, Fizz, and Wink with Phytopigments Jelly Eyeshadows, the new additions to the Juice Beauty Phytopigments makeup collection. It's buildable, jelly-like eyeshadows formulated with organic ingredients and plant-derived pigments for beauty without compromise. Available in 3 beautiful shimmery shades, Sangria, Prosecco, and Mimosa. Can be applied sheer or buildable for a more dramatic effect with plant-derived pigments from Eclipta, Daisy, Moringa, and Lotus. It's organic jojoba, sunflower, and shea butter for hydration. Or shea butter, I think I pronounced that wrong, right? It says, okay, then it says unique active ingredients derived from Swiss ice wine and okay, I don't know how to pronounce that. Spinosa gum help to visibly smooth lids. They are crease proof and long lasting wear with organic plant powders. And last but not least, mineral reflective, provide pearlescence. So let's swatch these babies out because I am so excited for these. Okay, so where can I swatch these? Here is the darker one, which is Sangria, and they come with a little doe foot applicator. And that is Sangria right there. Ooh, they kind of have like a cooling effect. This one is Mimosa, which kind of looks like a golden bronze. Very pretty. And then, and last but not least, there is Prosecco. And there you go. Just apply a little tiny bit of the color Prosecco on my lid. That's a very pretty color. I just want to see if it's gonna like be sticky or crease. I'm bringing you guys a little closer so you guys can kind of see a little better, but they feel wet when you first apply it, but then it starts to dry down. This is gonna be a perfect eyeshadow for whenever I use just one eyeshadow. I've been really into a one shadow look, just a very like glowy, shimmery type of eyeshadow on the lid, and this is gonna be perfect. So I thought it was gonna be sticky or too wet, but it actually dries down and it doesn't feel tight, so it feels very comfortable. And I don't think this is gonna crease because it's completely dried. And yeah, so I am gonna be trying these out a little more and give you guys my overall review. All right, my honey bunnies, so that was everything that I wanted to unbox and show you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little try-on type of haul. If you guys did, please give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't done so. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.